Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever found yourself trying to send a really long Google Drive link to your friends, your colleagues, or maybe even your clients, and you think this link looks messy and is just way too long, then today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to automatically shorten a Google Drive file link using Google Drive, Bitly, and Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your links look clean and professional every time you share them. Let's get right into it. The very first thing you'll want to do is grab the Google Drive link you want to shorten. Head over to your Google Drive, right-click on the file you want to share and select Get Link. Make sure you adjust the permissions if needed. Like if you want anyone with the link to view or edit, this is your moment to set that up. Click Copy Link and you're ready for the next step. Remember, copying the correct link is crucial here. If you accidentally copy a restricted or private link, the person you're sharing with might not be able to access your file. So double-check those sharing settings if you're ever unsure. Once you have your Google Drive link copied, open up a new tab in your browser and visit bit.ly.com. Now, Bitly is a really handy website designed just for shortening long URLs, so it's perfect for what we need. If you've never used Bitly before, you'll either need to sign up or even faster log in with your Google account. Just click the login button and choose to use your Gmail. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. Signing up is quick and always free for basic use. Okay, now that you're logged into Bitly, you'll land on the homepage. Right at the top, Bitly offers a very simple tool called Quick Create. You'll see a field that says Enter your destination URL. This is where you want to paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste it in there. This step is like feeding Bitly the long, unwieldy link so it can do its magic, kind of like swapping a giant beach towel for a nice, compact, travel-sized one. Once you've entered your URL, just hit the Create button. It usually only takes a second or two, and boom, Bitly will instantly generate a much shorter, neat-looking link for you. Now, sometimes people wonder why bother with a shorter link. Well, not only does it save space, but it can also make your communications look a bit more polished and less overwhelming. Plus, it's just easier for people to click on and trust, especially when you're sharing via email or social media. Once you have your brand new Bitly link, the last step is to head back to your Google Sheet or wherever you're keeping track of your links and paste your shortened Bitly link right where you want it. You can create a new column in your spreadsheet for short URLs or just paste it directly next to the original link for easy reference. And that's it. Your Google Drive links are officially streamlined and ready to share with anyone anywhere without any extra clutter. So there you have it, an easy, reliable way to make all your Google Drive links short and sweet using Bitly and Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical how-tos just like this. If you have questions or ran into any snags along the way, let me know down in the comments. I check them all and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.